Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on creating realistic shadow effects in your product mockup images using Canva. If you're a business owner looking to enhance your product images, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, use the link in the description and create one. It's quick and easy. We recommend signing up for the Pro account so you have access to all of the amazing stock and mockup images that Canva has to offer. Once you're in, create a new project and upload your product and mockup images. If you don't have a mockup image, choose from the thousands of mockup images that Canva offers. Now, place your product image on the mockup background. Here is where the magic happens. Click on your product image to select it, and then click on Edit Photo on the top left of your screen next to the navigation menu. You'll see a menu with different options. We're looking for the shadow effect. Once you click on it, choose the type of shadow effect you want to apply. For most product images, you will want to use the drop shadow. Next, you'll see options to adjust the transparency, size, and blur of your shadow. Remember, subtlety is key. The goal is to enhance your product, not distract from it. Now, for those of you wanting to take it up a notch, Canva also offers advanced shadow options. You can adjust the direction of the shadow to mimic where the light is coming from. You do this with the distance slider. The slider will rotate the circle direction until you achieve the desired effect. Another cool feature is changing the color of your shadow. While most shadows are gray or black, you can choose any color for a creative effect. Just click on the color square to open the color palette and choose your preferred color. For the most realistic shadow color, choose a gray that has some of your product color in it. Save it and download it. And there you have it. A product image with a realistic shadow effect, all done in Canva. With these simple steps, you can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your product images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging Canva for your small business or side hustle.